Hey teachers! I have 3 super helpful worksheets. They're actually graphic organizers you can incorporate in literally any lesson you're teaching. And the best part about them is that you didn't have to prepare a thing. I got you fully covered. Let's go. Our first graphic organizer is the Tchart graphic. It's amazing for comparisons and classifications. I just make copies for students and ask them to work whether individually or in pairs or even in groups. And depending on the topic we're covering, I ask them to write the causes and effects, the pros and cons, regular or irregular verbs, opposites. It could be anything you want. I usually like to wrap things up using the Tchart. For example, after learning about jobs, I'd be like, okay, let's classify them into outdoors or indoors jobs. Or if we were talking about a certain topic like multitasking, social media, I'd ask the students to summarize the advantages and disadvantages we discussed together in class. However, the Tchart would also be a great way to introduce a new topic and share their prior knowledge about it. Our second graphic organizer is the Sunshine worksheet. It has a lovely name, a lovely design, and it's super lovely to use. I basically like to use it as a warm-up activity. I'd get into the classroom, divide my precious students into groups, hand each group a copy of the worksheet, and give each group a topic to work on. For instance, ice cream, and they have to think of answers for all of the WH questions, like who would eat ice cream? Maybe kids, adults, perhaps aliens. What? Maybe what is it made of? I'm not an expert, but milk, cream, sugar, and other stuff. When do you usually have ice cream? This one is easy all the time. Where's the best place to get it? Why we love it? How to make it? I usually let them write the questions and the answers themselves, but if they're beginners, I write the questions for them on the board and let them work together to answer them. Our last graphic organizer is none other than the word web itself. I love it. This worksheet makes my life easy and my classes way more fun because you literally have to prepare nothing and still have a great class. Again, I divide the students into pairs or groups. It's either I write a topic in the large circle in the middle. It's about ice cream again because why not? It's summer. I'm craving ice cream literally every second, but anyway, they have to fill the smaller circles with more details regarding that topic. However, remind them that it's a word web for a reason, so avoid writing long answers. A couple of words would still do the trick and be completely acceptable here. Or you can just write one word and they have to write other words related to it, the opposite of it, rhyme with it. Totally suits yourself here. With kids, I like them to draw the words instead of writing them in the small circles, and then we hang the papers on the walls. You can definitely add more circles as needed. That's pretty it. I've prepared a part 2 for more awesome graphic organizers, so stay tuned. Thank you for being in my channel.